Alright guys, so me and my beautiful friends figured out a way to pin your listings on Etsy without uploading your listings manually on Pinterest. So you will have to go to your listing on Etsy, just like this. And once you have it on here, all you have to do is tap this one. Right now I'm using Chrome, but it works on Safari too. So just share this one and then view more, look for Pinterest. Save the Pinterest, or if you don't have that, you can scroll here and find Pinterest too. So whichever works for you. If you select that one, it will give you the option to select your board from here. So let's just say, for example, Procreate brushes, and then you can select any image that you want. So I'm just gonna select the first one and then save, and it will be saved directly to your Pinterest account and then save. It's actually here now showing up, and when I open this one, it's gonna direct me to Etsy. There you go. This is using your iPad, okay? So if you have a laptop, it's actually easier if you download the Chrome extension. It's basically the same step, but if you have the Chrome extension on your laptop, you will see the letter P or logo icon of Pinterest here. And if you click that one, it's basically the same process. Let me know if you try it out and let me know if it works for you.